Hi, boys and girls. Let's take a look at our problem solving that we worked on Tuesday. This story was about Marissa and her bracelets. She made 8 bracelets. She loved them so much. She didn't give any away. So I thought this might trick a few of you, and I think that I was right, that when we say we're not giving any away, that means that she's giving 0 away. So I noticed many of you did figure that out, but that was a little bit tricky to begin with. When we're not giving any away, that means it's 0. And I wanted you guys to remember that when you're giving something away, that means it is a takeaway problem. So you should use your subtraction symbol. And many of you are still mixing up your addition and your subtraction symbol, and that's okay. We'll keep practicing. But when you're saying takeaway, remember to draw that straight line across to show the takeaway. We were trying to figure out how many bracelets she has after she doesn't give any away. We solved 2 other number sets as well that we're going to go over. So let's take a look at some student samples. Here's what your page looked like in Seesaw. I don't know if you can hear the birds. I am working outside on my porch today because it's such a lovely day. So you can probably hear the birds that are chirping near my bird feeder out here. All right, this student showed Marissa's 8 bracelets by drawing circles. That was a great way to show it. A circle would be a shape for a bracelet because it curves around your wrist. And there are 8. We can see that right away. They used a 10-frame arrangement, and we can see there's only 2 missing. So there's only, we know that that's 8 in the snap because it's 10 with 2 open spots on that 10 frame. So that's 8, take away 0. So there's no bracelets crossed out in this one because she didn't give any away. And that will leave Marissa with 8 bracelets still. Excuse me. The next number model that you guys were working on, you were thinking about Marissa having 15 bracelets, and she did love them so much, but she still decided she was going to give 5 away to friends. How many bracelets does Marissa have now? And this student showed all of the bracelets by using these blue dots here. And it's almost a 10-frame arrangement at the top there. I know it's hard to get those bingo daughter spots wherever you want them in a nice neat line, but there's 10 up here and there's 5 more here, so we know in a snap that's 15. And I can see this person in the snap crossed off those 5 that she gave to her friends, and I believe my video is in the way, so let's find out what this person wrote the answer to their number model. There we go. 15 take away 5 equals 10. Wonderful job on that one. All right, let's look at the next one we have here. The third number set that you were solving for was Marissa made 19 bracelets. She loved them so much, but she gave 9 away. How many bracelets does Marissa have now? Here's a nice 10-frame arrangement here. I can tell that's 10 in a snap. And here's almost a whole 10-frame arrangement, 5 on top and 4 on the bottom with just 1 missing. So I know that that's 9. And this student drew X's on those 9 bracelets because those were the ones that were going to be given away. 19, take away 9 equals 10. Sable, come. My dog is sneaking away around the front yard. I don't want her to. All right, 19 take away 9 equals 10. So many of you could tell right away when I was watching your videos and listening to your explanations, I could tell that you knew that those teen numbers were made up of 10 and then some because you could solve that and tell me the answer before you were even starting to cross them off from your picture. And thank you very much to those of you who followed the directions and hit record right as they were starting to show how they were doing it. So I want you guys to make sure that you're doing that in your problem solving that you're going to do for today. Okay, and I'll go over those directions when I give you the second video that's going to have that information. But that's really helpful to your teachers right now so that we can watch how you're solving, how you're doing all of those little things and explaining. It's okay if it's not perfect. If you have to make a mistake, that's okay. You could just say, oops, I made a mistake. I'm going to erase that part. And it's all right if you have to have a parent or an adult help you read that, but please do the work by yourselves, okay? So moms and dads, back away. Let the kids do the work. All right, boys and girls, you guys are doing an amazing job. Click on the next video to see your problem solving work that you're going to do today.